Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. I want to speak with you about puncture wounds. We have seen many of those over the course of our career, and some of them can be cleaned up and stitched up and things are not a problem. But in many cases, those puncture wounds, whether they're in the hand, the arm, the thigh, the shin, from various, or even the eye. We've had nail guns go through eyes and hands and fingers. They can be extremely dangerous injuries. They can be very worrisome, not only because you have to care for that particular injury, but then you have to worry about infections coming up down the road from the object that may have punctured the skin or the eye or whatever the case may be. We've got to make sure that you are getting the proper physicians to see you, both for caring for the actual wound and then making sure that there are no tendons or arteries that have been hit or eyeballs that need to be unfortunately removed with prosthetics. Subsequently, we have to make sure that a proper specialist is seeing you after the puncture wound has been healed. Now, is there an orthopedic injury going on with the tendons, with a bone, if that is the case, whether it be in any part of your extremities? So knowing the type of injury you have to get the proper treatment right off the bat, which typically is going to be an emergency room to deal with the puncture wound, but then following up with the proper doctors, whether it's going to be a plastic surgeon to deal with the scarring issue, an infectious disease doctor to deal with any infection issues, an orthopedic doctor to deal with any orthopedic issues, is very, very important. Navigating the workers' compensation system to get all of these specialists can also be very, very difficult. And so we are quite adept at getting folks to proper doctors and specialists, getting out second opinions if necessary, and then making sure you're getting the proper benefits that you may be entitled to if you're unable to work, using that arm, leg, or whatever the case may be. If you want to speak about your puncture wound, please give me a call, 770-351-0801. Thank you.
Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.